Hello everyone, welcome back to King Conquest. And in this video we have a small little puzzle. White to move and checkmate the black king here in two moves. Black pawn is going this way, so this pawn is about to be promoted. So yeah, you have to be careful about that. Pause the video if you want to try this puzzle. Okay, welcome back. So this puzzle, although it's like looks easy, but not quite really that easy. I spent like 2 minutes to solve this puzzle. So yeah. So anyway, let's say we want to move our king right in this position because our queen is basically looking at the black king. Well, our king has only one square available to move, and let's say we move our king to e2, and this is a check. Well, black can just do this amazing double check with pawn promoted to queen in f1. So this is double check. You cannot take this queen because this rook is also checking your king. So the only way to escape this position is to move your king. And again, because this is a two move checkmate, there is no way. This is your second move, so moving our king is not the solution. Okay, what else? Let's say you want to move your queen to, I don't know, okay, let's say you want to sacrifice. I don't know why I said it, but okay, queen to h8 sacrifice. Well, if black takes your queen, then this move, rook to h8, is checkmate. But then actually black doesn't have to take your queen basically. And again, we don't expect our opponent to play the bad move. Like, we expect our opponent to play the best move that he or she can play. So in this position, black doesn't have to take our queen. Black can just move this pawn. And from this position, there is no way you can checkmate the black king. You can do like this. But obviously this is not a checkmate. Black king can just take our queen, right? So yeah. And even in this position, if you want to try to a little bit more so-called creative by moving our queen to g7, well, black can just ignore this and still play this pawn move, pawn to e3. And even though you have this sneaky check like queen to b7, still this is your second move, and this is not a checkmate because the black can just do like rook to g2, and this is checkmate. But this puzzle is two move checkmate for white, so this is not the solution. So yeah, moving our queen to h8 and g7, we try both, and basically not the solution. And you probably have guessed that the only pieces that we haven't talked about is this rook, right? Okay, this rook can travel to many squares, like 13 squares. And again, as we discussed before, by moving our queen to h8, the solution for this puzzle is actually this rook to h8. And again, if black decided to take our rook at h8, well, our queen can do this move. Queen takes h8, and this is checkmate. Well, again, we don't expect black to play, bad, or play like the worst move that he or she can play. Black can play this annoying move, pawn to e3, and in this position you have to find this in my opinion, amazing check queen to a8, and this is checkmate. Because this pawn is moving from e4 to e3, it's basically open up their own defense, like by, as you can see, if we imagine that this pawn is still on e4, there is no check, right? Because before is the black turn, black has to move, and he decided to move their pawn to e3. He basically, open up their defense, and this is actually checkmate because black king cannot move everywhere, and this rook cannot block the check from our queen because this rook is also checking their king. So yeah, another neat little puzzle, and you have to find like chess has like 64 square, and sometimes you have to show like from far away, like this amazing queen to a8 move, like so yeah, hope you enjoy my explanation for this puzzle, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.